What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. We are at Sewell's mom's house replacing the valve cover on his NA Miata. We already got the valve cover off, just have to clean off all the silicone from the old gasket here. And then slap the new one on. So we gotta slap the new one on and then that'll be good to go. It's now 4:41 p.m. I spent the entire morning underneath my 240 replacing my transmission mount, which by the way was like non-existent. Like I took a picture of it and I'll show you guys right now. So after I did my transmission mount, I replaced the upper and lower radiator hoses and did a coolant flush with distilled water and Redline water wetter. And then I just did a bolt check on my car. All 4 drive shaft bolts which connected to the differential were like hand tight. So tighten those and actually added Loctite to a lot of the bolts which are at risk of coming loose. So that should be good. And then today's Thursday, a couple days from now on Sunday we will be autocrossing right down the street from here. So I'll be coming here Saturday and then driving down the street to the Camarillo airport Sunday morning very early. And Christian's Miata is somewhere around the 112,000 mile mark, somewhere around there. But yeah, his engine looks pretty healthy, his timing belt looks good. Yeah, he just had a couple valve cover leaks. As you can see, there's oil on the timing or the camshaft gear. And then he just had a couple spills on the side of his head. You can see some like leftover oil on the heat shield there. And there's a couple on this side as well. Hey buddy. Any luck? Can't find a razor blade anywhere. You're done. Valve cover install gone wrong. And you were so organized with your valve cover bolts too.
I mean, I probably have one, but my mom kind of moved here maybe like a year ago. I don't really live here, so all my stuff is packed in boxes. So I'm not going to go through all that stuff. But
for a razor blade?
Yeah.
It's worth it.
I'm gonna walk down to a store and go get one.
Walk?
Oh yeah. Oh, you wanna drive? That's cool too.
I don't know, where are you going? Let's make a deal. I'll drive you there if you take your rack off and throw it in the trash. What was that?
No.
Why not?
Screw you.
Why? That bike is like the same value as our car. Either one of our cars. Yeah. Well, yeah, used Miata versus the new retail price of that bike.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wait, we can go there if you do the O'Reilly's like commercial song.
O'Reilly. Auto parts.
There you go. We just went into the nicest O'Reilly's like ever. It's like a mile from Christian's house, and they just let me walk through the back warehouse to look through their heater hoses, and I think this will work for my intake on my SR 240. I'm also gonna clean my fuel in my Miata right now.
Oh, right now? This can't wait.
I'll do it at your house, I guess. Until you stop crying.
Okay.
Dude, it's funny because like my Miata was way faster than yours, and now like there's just no catching up at this point. Like, what are you gonna do now?
I'm dumping in some race fuel right now.
Yeah. Actually, I wonder what would happen if like he had an empty tank. We just filled up with like 20 of these. Redline complete fuel system cleaner. It's basically like 200 octane fuel. Oh, you see that precision right there? They don't teach that at school these days.
Something I can't do when I'm changing my oil.
I feel like I should have read the directions and made sure this goes in the fuel tank, but like, I guess where else would it go?
Reckless.
I just dumped it in.
Just put it in where the oil goes.
I mean, some engine cleaners I guess all engine cleaners you would, but except for like Seafoam.
That's the only one I can think of.
Well, there's also like B12 Chem Tool, which you would put in your fuel tank as well. But you wouldn't know that because you're a rookie. Rookster.
You just disappeared in the shade? Okay.
Yeah, that happens. Alright.
everything floating around. And we're not doing this.
Come on, I'm just gonna give you a little hit. I'll get the wrapper out, and then I'm gonna give you a little sip of the action here. In your Miata. Dude, you're gonna love it.
I'm going to love it.
You'll feel the difference. Trust me.
Okay.
Oh. Oh. Oh, snap. Ooh. Think about the gains, dude.
I don't know what the gains are, first of all.
How many wheel horsepowers did you just gain? Well, after this fuel tank and you fill up, and your fuel system is like 30 times cleaner now.
30 times.
Yeah, 30 times. No more, no less. Dude, these black razor blades are so JDM. Holy crap. This is unreal. This is almost authentic Japanese stuff.
Glad you like it.
How you doing, Commander?
It's taking a while. Yeah.
I held to the back one. You're getting there. You doing alright?
Yeah, that's... Yeah.
Look how aggressive my car looks from the front.
Yeah.
It's ready to come for you.
It's just screaming. Hi guys!
Do that
My
again.
name's Miata! Drive me, please!
What is wrong with you? It's an S2000. I don't know what you're talking.
Nitrosity.
That's an S2000. I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay.
Is that what Miata sound like?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe what yours sounds like.
Mine's kind of more high sounding.
Mine sounds like the what's his name, Josh something, who plays the voice of Thanos from Infinity War. It's definitely what my Miata sounds like.
Demeanor is that of a pouty child.
Not at all.
Yeah. You know it's true. One more wisecrack out of you, and your Miata's getting dicked.
I think that'd be... maybe it's not that hard to do.
Tell me I won't.
I don't think...
Tell me I freaking won't.
I'd rather you not.
Why? It's time for a new timing belt anyways.
No.
You're supposed to do it every 60k, and you're approaching 120k.
It was done before that.
Yeah. So if it was done at 60,000, now you're approaching 120,000.
No, it was done like...
I can't even hear you.
Okay.
When was it done? Yesterday?
I have a receipt for it. I don't know the exact mileage, but I'm assuming it was done around 90,000.
Ooh. Come on, we want to see some precision. Just drop it in first try. Perfectly aligned.
I don't even know if that's possible.
Yeah, because you got a flimsy Felpro gasket. Nerd. Nerd.
This Velcro on the internet.
Nerd.
Sponsor us, Velcro.
I've heard very bad things about Felpro head gaskets, especially in Subaru STIs. Damn, that's so freaking JDM, how you're doing that? Oh my god. This is crazy. Come on, Christian, let's see you lay those dimes.
I'll be honest, I don't really know how to do this at all.
Lay some nice... You don't even need to lay dimes. All you're doing is putting a glob on each corner. Like you're not making a path, so...
I shouldn't go up and over?
No.
But that's how it was.
You legitimately don't need to do that. I promise. Like, I'm being completely serious with you.
So like, here?
Yeah, there. Yeah.
My ears are ringing. I didn't really clinch or anything. Okay.
Whoa! That was not a good method.
What, honking the horn at me because I'm doing this?
No, that's what you have to do. I don't know if you like watch any install videos or replacement videos. It's all part of the process. All right, now just like put the bolts on hand tight, and then let it dry for a little bit, and then tighten them down. Oh! It's like a it was like a millimeter of clearance. So what's next on the agenda? You keep asking me. Do you like my video on Instagram, dude?
I don't know. I didn't really watch that.
Wow, that's pretty rude.
I didn't really use Instagram.
You don't use Instagram? Okay. Okay. Christian Williams doesn't use Instagram.
I didn't.
Okay.
Are you going to be here for dinner? You want some?
My weirdest one goes
Did you see my the local? It looks, wasn't it more purple and now it's more like Merlot? Is the color different or is it my imagination?
No, it's definitely more like Merlot.
Okay, wasn't it purple before? What did you do? This is a new car. This is your car.
My car's over there.
Oh, no wonder.
Just saying, it's a Miata. It's just a newer version.
Okay, but he showed me, but I thought you had something that stuck up at the end.
Oh, that's his. That's not me.
Oh yeah, that's mine.
It is?
Yeah.
You have that in your car?
Yeah.
This looks very elegant.
It is elegant.
This
Get-
looks very elegant.
Yeah, it's like a...
You have your name on the car?
It's just a sticker. But yeah. So people don't mix up our cars.
But then they know your name. Wow.
I wasn't recording when your mom said the lights were different. I mean, yeah, the eyes. She said eyes, but I was thinking lights. But yeah, we do have different eyes.
Did you watch Rocky?
I forgot my earplugs. This is ridiculous.
Yeah, it's not healthy.
This is so weird.
There's like an island. It looks like Big Bear Lake. Like they're gonna come after us any second. Sorry, you guys can just go. Or just kind of just look at you. Those houses are insane.
Yeah, I mean,
It's like an island on Italy or something. How they're all stacked up. Alright, we're leaving security.
what the heck? You got these crazy houses, little street, and then a lake with boats.
Look at that.
I can't see it, but yeah. This is so interesting. Like, this is just
surreal.
we're in Malibu right now, kind of. We're not even really all the way in Malibu. We're like 20 minutes away from Christian's mom's house, who lives in Newbury Park, like right by Newbury High School.
Okay, just tell the internet that.
All right, I live by Louisville High School. It doesn't really give anything away.
chase it down. Bottom stack, cause I will blow your back, bring it back, there's only to throw it back. Yeah, I don't play no games, but I make your head. All about the facts, nigga, to the plan. Now you gotta own up to that shit you said. You can't push us to the edge, trouble.